This short video explains how to register your school with education quizzes and how to then manage your account with us. From our homepage, click the Schools button. The page that appears gives you a little information about us, and at the bottom of the page you will find the registration form. Fill in your school name, your first name, your last name, your email address, confirm the email address, fill in a password, confirm the password, and type in the number of children at your school. There's no need to be precise. Finally, press click to join. Your registration is then complete and our automated system will send you an email to confirm your details. Please keep it safe for future reference, but if you ever forget anything, then you can always give us a call or drop us an email. So let's click that click to join button. You can now log into our system whenever you like by clicking the login button in the top blue bar. Your username is your email address, and use the password that you chose earlier, and then click login. In the top right hand of the screen you will see that there is a box that confirms that you are now logged in. In the top blue bar, click Schools Administration. You will now be on the single page where you can manage all aspects of your account. Let's leave the class reports for now. We'll come back to them later. If you ever want to change your password, then this is the place to do it. The first step to managing your account would be to create the year groups for your school, and you can do this by adding them here. The year group is the year in which the new intake of students join your school. If we are now in April 2016, then your latest intake was probably September 2015. So 2015 is the first year group that you will need to create. Let's do it now. Click Add New Year Group and a box will appear. Type in 2015 and then click Create. You will see that your new year group has been added. If there are 7 separate years at your school, then you will need to count back a further 6 years and add those year groups. So we will need to create 2014, 2013, 2012, 2011, 2010, and 2009. That's it. You will never have to create year groups again. Each student will remain in the same year group throughout his or her time at your school. Remember, the year group is the time at which the student would be expected to join your school. Now we can start creating students. Click the Add New Student button each time that you want to create one. Fill in the first name, the last name, the year group, select from the year groups created earlier, a username. We recommend first name followed by the last name. A password. We recommend that everyone uses student for a start. And then create. There are 2 important things to remember here. Firstly, note that your school has been assigned a 3-letter code. The student's username must always start with these 3 digits. So the username of Peter Brown will be RWB Peter Brown. The second thing to remember is that students can log in and change their passwords to whatever they like, but you, as their teacher, will always be able to change their passwords by clicking the edit button next to their name. So let's find the student that we created earlier so that we can show you how to do this. Simply click the edit button next to Peter Brown, and then you can edit loads of different aspects of his account, including his password. You can also delete your students using this method. At any time, you can see a full list of your students in any particular year group by selecting the year and clicking Go. The students will always be listed alphabetically by their last name. This is useful for checking whether a student has already been added. Our system will not allow you to create two students with the same name, so if there are two students at your school named Peter Brown, then you will need to have Peter Brown and Peter Brown 1. One of the many benefits of the Education Quizzes system is that each student can be allocated to as many classes as you like. So Peter Brown may be put into, say, Year 1 English and Year 1 Maths. Let's create those classes now. Simply click Add New Class and then add Year 1 English. And then Year 1 Maths. Now that we have created students and classes, we can use the last section on our page to move the students into the relevant classes. Select the year group and a class, and then click Go. You will see the list of students in one chosen year group that are not in the classes, as well as the students that are in the classes. Simply click on any student to move him or her into and out of the classes, as so. And that's how you manage your school account. We hope you find the resource valuable, and if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We're always happy to help.